Yo, what is up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video, and I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed. I am so happy to be doing another video for you. In this video, it is going to be a recent pickup that I did, well, a recent pickup that I received from Jetpens.com. So let's go ahead and get into that, and I'm going to show you the pins and everything that I got. Also, you'll probably see pins that you have not seen before, not unless you're in Japan or if you're. Let me stop rambling. Let's get to it. Well, that was like a little dramatic effect. Had it in slow motion. So here are the pins. I know you've definitely seen this brush pen before. This is really the only Tombow brush pen that I like. Every other Tombow, especially the dual tips, I'm really not a fan of. I personally think that they are overhyped, and there's is that even correct English? There are a lot other brush pens that are better than the Tombow dual tips, but we're not here for that. We are here for the pickup. So I'm going to go through and just say all the brush pens that I got. The Sakura, my name marker, double-sided, which is probably this one because it's broad. Then I got this is another Sakura, my name marker. This is a fine one. And what is this? Kuretake Zig letter pen refill. So I got two refills. And why did I get a text right now? I'm trying to film. Two refills. I got extra fine and black, and these are the brush nib and the extra fine nib. These go with, hold on, another minute. So this refill works for these Zig brush pens. And what do we have next? The Pilot fountain pen ink cartridges. These are for, I have a Pilot Plumex that I'm going to start back using because honestly I have not really used it more than a handful of times. And then I got a Zig Clean Color Real Brush Pen. The nibs is very soft, and it's really like a real brush pen. Okay, what next? What do we have next? Tombow Furunosuke Brush Pen Hard Body, which is this. And what else I got? Sakura Kakikata Fill Tip. It is this. I have not seen anybody use this brush pen. I am pretty stoked on it. I love the matte finish and how light it is, and how, goodness, I'm getting another message. Let's continue. I love how this construction is, how the nib is. Very good. I mean, you know, if I lived in Japan and I had access to all these, I would have so many brush pens. And then this is the last one, the Karan de Achi Fibrado brush pen. I like this brush pen as well. How the body is on it. It's similar to, let me show you. So the body on this Fibrado brush pen is similar to how a wooden pencil is. Pretty sure that's taken into the consideration of the design. And it's very light. The nib is not too long. I feel the nib on this brush pen is just perfect. Let me write something with it. Matter of fact, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a run through of all the brush pens that I got. So let's get to it. That's nice. Nice and light to where you don't have to be heavy-handed and drag the nib. To where dragging the nib is gonna obviously cause it to fray and wear it down. And the nib on this is so different. Oh, I like that a lot. Whew. Can get some very nice. You could do some nice monoline work with this. Yeah, definitely can dig that. And also the ink is very nice. Let's zoom in so you can get a better view. What are we gonna go to next? The Sakura hardbody. And I just love getting these packages with all of the Japanese written on it. And let me see if there's any Chinese. Yeah, Japanese and Chinese on it. But I believe Sakura is based in Japan. And I always love the packaging. Okay. This is very, very fine. Oh, okay, I can dig this. Yeah, I can dig it. I can dig this brush pen. I like the body. I like how it feels in the hand. Yeah, this is definitely worth getting. And now let's go for the big body. For the double-edged brush pen. At least that's what it said. Okay, get out of there. My God, that's like a whiteboard marker. But the thing with these, if I remember, with these pens, you could write on like clothing and label stuff. Thought it had a strong smell to it, like a permanent marker. That's sacrifice your life to a higher force. That's also the thing that I like. Sacrifice your life to a higher force. Features like that, where you store the that happens to sit on the counter. This is very hard. Softer and this one is hard. When I ordered this, I initially wanted sacrifice your life to a higher force. Learn about life, making my way, tipping to the east. But I definitely will say very good arsenal of brush pens. Not expensive. Obviously I have brush pens left over that I still have. I just bought the things that I actually need. And all this together, every single thing was 25. I think like 25 and some change. I got 12 cartridges. I didn't buy that because I already had it. This Tombow brush pen, these refills, real brush pen, these brush pens, and these. So all this together, $25. Not too expensive, and they will last you a while. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are below, and I'll catch you next time. Peace and love.